Purchasing a custom belt. Most belts are neither handmade nor custom. Instead, they are churned out in a factory, much like other leather and textile products. However, you can purchase a custom belt, but it usually offers features of customization, rather than the actual ability to make it your own. Here's what some of these features include. Custom belt buckles. These, of course, are one of the biggest pieces of belt customization. Many stores now allow customers to purchase belt buckles that either contain their names or some word or phrase. Some of these belt buckles are customized significantly, including the addition of rhinestones, forks, gems, and glitter. Other custom belt buckles are simply forged stainless steel or copper. Another element of customization is the actual belt strap. Rather than selling traditional leather or fiber weave belts, as was once the norm, many high-end fashion retailers are selling fashion belts, which usually employ a number of different elements of customization on the strap. If you pick up a belt from a rack at stores like Express, Abercrombie Fitch, or Neiman Marcus, you will notice that each strap is different in some way. Most are covered in glitter and rhinestone and include some sort of unique design. Some will even have names or designs on the actual strap. Being fashion belts, most of these actually go over belt loops, rather than under. If you're looking for a custom belt purely for the sake of fashion, you may want to check out high-end retailers that specialize in selling belts that cost over $100, but are almost guaranteed to be one or a few of a kind. You will more than likely find that custom belt to match your outfit, but you will also pay dearly for it.